Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And on today's video I'm gonna do some more electrical upgrades, and what I'm gonna be doing is trying to install a wireless charger into my console. So, because we have that space over there, and for the most part it's kind of useless. Well, you can put stuff in there, but sometimes you want to put a phone in there, or a passenger wants to put a phone in there. It just gonna makes it somewhat easier to charge the phone. You just put it in there and it charges it. At least that's an idea. And unfortunately guys, I don't know what happened, but the first portion of the video got lost, or maybe I made a mistake and I forgot to press the record button. So I'm recording it, it's already late, but basically what happened, I tried to use a charger but it doesn't work from 12 volts, so I had to wait a few days because I ordered a converter, and now that the converter is there, I started to do the work again. So but basically you guys didn't miss anything important.
Flashback.
So it actually been a few days since I started this project, but what happened when I was buying this unit, under the description it was said that it takes 12 volts, but in fact it doesn't. I was not able to get the charge connected directly to my switch box. So what I had to get this converter, which converts 12 volts into 5 volts, and this little guy over here, so I have to use this in as well. But now it works. So now I'm gonna start taking this apart, gonna see how I'm gonna mount this underneath. I believe there is space underneath. Gonna hide this guy somewhere, and yeah, run new wire from this extended to my fuse box, and we'll see how that's gonna work out. So first we're just gonna simply pull this out. It just pulls out. Then, as you can see, I already pulled this out, but it's very easy. You just pop it up and that's it, and it comes out. And as you can see already over there, there is plenty of space. So gonna take the whole thing out. That way I can work with it and mount the charger to the bottom of this easily. Now the good thing that this surface is flat, so there is no ridges or anything. I don't have to cut anything, so I can simply position it over here in the middle. Of course I'm gonna take the stickers off and gonna point this port towards the back, so that's where the wire is gonna be coming from anyways. And now I'm just gonna glue it. I think I'm just gonna glue it over here like that with crazy glue or something. So now while this is drying, I'm actually trying with this extreme glue. Hopefully it's gonna stay in place. So while this is drying up, I can start working on the wiring, which is gonna be pretty easy. I'm gonna run one 2-conductor wire to here. That's where my unit is gonna be, and the converter. And then the other end, simply bring it to my fuse panel and tie it in over here to the 5 amp fuse. I think that's gonna be more than enough. And that's pretty much it. So now I'm gonna work on doing my splices, and I'm gonna look where I'm gonna secure this converter, somewhere here. And by then hopefully the unit's gonna be dry and I can mount everything back. Now the power converter unit, I'm simply gonna secure it over here with the double stick tape. I'm just gonna glue it over there like that. I think it should be fine. It's not gonna go anywhere from there. It's not gonna be in the way of anything either. That should be right there, just like that. And I'm using this heavy-duty Gorilla double stick tape, so that should be alright. And it goes like this. Alright, that should be good there. Now I'm gonna fix the wire, secure it in place so it doesn't bounce around, and this is gonna go into the unit itself. Alright, and all of this is dried up and it's not going anywhere, it's not moving. It's pretty secure. So now I can go back to the truck. Unfortunately it's raining, but anyways, I can go back to the truck, start putting everything back together in place. So the wire is connected, my fuses over here, and I always like to label my wires so I know where they go for. As you can see, I have labels on all of them, even though I'm the one working on the truck, but it always helps to figure out where the wire is going, what it's for. So now I'm just gonna secure the wire, zip tie it nicely, and I can start assembling all of this. Alright, this is all dried up, so let me slap this in place, connect the wire, assemble it, hope it works. Alright guys, so the truck is running Everything is assembled, so let's test it. Let's put the phone there and let's hope it still works. The phone is in there and it's charging. As you can see, it's wirelessly charging, so it's working. Nice. So that was quite an easy solution how to make this wirelessly charging. Easy solution to easy problem. So I'm glad that that worked out. And I actually guys picked up these rubber mats from Amazon, because without it the phone was sliding over here, but now with this thing in place the phone doesn't slide, it just stays in place and it keeps and still charging through this, even through this, so that's pretty cool. I'm happy how that came out. Alright guys, another project successfully done. That was a very easy upgrade to do. The wiring is very easy, just one wire, it's a very short run and everything came out pretty good. I think the only reason why it shows that wireless charger, because that's the only one I found with a bigger base, so hopefully the coil in there is bigger. That's the only reason why. So as always, I'm gonna leave all the links in the description in case you guys wanna recreate something like that, or in case you did something similar and you have a better idea how to do it. Please let me know what you guys used or what you're using for wireless charging in your car, if you do. But on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you might find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.